Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google meeting. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Meet apps, and after this, in here you just click on the new meeting, click on it, and then in here you just click on the schedule in a Google Calendar. So you just click on it. And after this, in here you can set for today. Maybe you wanna add for 19 August, and after this you can click on the OK. And now you can add the location, or you can remember 13 minutes before a meeting or anything else. And after this, in here you can click on the save at the top, and then you can go back. Okay, so that's how to schedule a Google Meet on Google Meeting apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.